Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our HMRC Self Assessment account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your HMRC Self Assessment account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can choose any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, in search bar search for login HMRC Self Assessment. After searching for that, you will come up to this page where you have to tap on the first option which says HMRC Online Services Sign In or Sign Up Account. Now you have to scroll down and then tap on sign in. After tapping on sign in, now you can enter your user ID, which is of 12 characters, and then enter your password. After entering your user ID, just enter your password. After entering your password, tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you will successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your user ID or password, what you can do is just tap on I have forgotten my password, or just tap on I have forgotten my government gateway user ID. And by tapping on that, you can easily reset or recover your password. And after creating a new password, what you can do is come back to this login page and just enter that password that you have created and then tap on sign in. And after tapping on sign in, you will successfully log into your HMRC Self Assessment account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your HMRC Self Assessment account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.